guys, what's up? It's still in here, and I'm gonna show you guys another awesome Nerf gun, and this is the look of it. It has 2 magazines, and I'm gonna show you also how to load it. I'm gonna show you my special darts next video, and let's get to showing how to load it and see how far it goes. And that right there is 55 feet. So if it makes it past over there, it's strong enough to go 55 feet. Let's try another shot.